I am Dr. Bechoo, and just let me, as an assistant professor in Western College, University of Mumbai, just let me introduce, sir. What is your name?
Yeah, my name's Jabbar Abbas, Jabbar Abbas, staff members at University of Technology at Baghdad in Iraq. Yeah,
Dr. Abbas, I am very pleased to meet you. It's
nice to meet you also. Nice to meet you.
Sir, as
Yeah,
per the course curriculum, the topic it is assigned to us, obesity, it is one of the global problem for the
yeah.
human being. So, sir,
Hmm.
what is your opinion about the obesity? Just let me just give little bit your idea about the your opinion about the obesity.
Yeah. My opinion about obesity is the accumulation of large amounts of fat in the body, which leads to significant increase in the weight that does not correspond to the height and age of the person. And the person become obese if his weight increase 20%, 20% over his normal weight, and it is greater than a problem related to the beauty of the figure and the body.
Right.
But it considers an environment fairly for many disease and health problems. This is my opinion. But
Uh,
yeah.
Sir, one
Let
thing
me, yeah. What about, you can ask you, this is my opinion. And may I ask you about cases or reasons leading to obesity?
correct, sir. Sir, you are absolutely right. Already your idea that is very nice. I really appreciate your idea. Or that only significant point you have to mention that. No doubt, sir, the about of the 60% developing country, they are just suffering about the obesity. Sir, from my point, that means what are the causes are in current scenario, sir, imbalanced diet, suppose that some genetic problems are there. Due to medicine, the obesity that would be causes of the obesity might be some medicines are there. Some, sir, unbalanced diet, suppose that we are just not having any kinds of the proper nutritions are there, proper diets are there. Or say in some cases, sir, we have seen that some there are some genetical issues are there, some genetics problems are there. Like the suppose that the if any kinds of the obesity mothers and fathers are having the same obesity that is inherited from their parents to the children. So it's also it is we cannot say that means we are having very strong statistics related to the inheritance genetic obesity. Might be 1% we can consider that. The other things are there, sir. From my point of view, unbalanced diet जो है, unbalanced diet, it is one of the significant factor for the obesity. That is
Yeah.
from my point of view, right? Sir,
Yeah.
could you
Very
tell
good.
me about
Yeah.
what are the
I agree with you. I agree with you, your opinion.
that's
Yeah.
right. Sir, any other factor do you would you consider about the causes of the obesity? Any other factors apart from my side?
Yeah. Consequence of obesity, there is many obesity risks. One of first risk, obesity leads to weakness of heart muscles and decrease in its efficiency. As a result of the enlargement of the left and right vertebra in the case of obesity. Second risk for obesity, the occurrence of orthopticity and hangings pictures as a result of the accumulations of fat in the corner artery and its blockage sometimes. And another thing, the high blood Brazil, one of very problem for obesity. Uh, and there are fourth point for obesity risks, shortness of rate with less effort due to the increasing burden on the heart and lung and the accumulation of fat on the rib gag and under the diaphragm. Also, there are another problems like this problems with joints and bones, especially the
Dr.
knee joints. And,
Just
yeah,
I'm sorry to interrupt you. We are not having sufficient time.
yeah.
Definitely your idea that is appreciating, sir.
Mm.
Let me discuss. Come for discuss about the solution. No doubt, it is one of the global problems are there. Number of the causes are
Yeah, yeah.
the factors are
I
there.
will, I will. The solution for this, yeah, there are many solutions. Yes, I will reply about the solution. One of the solution, you have to change your life and change your bad eating habits. Also, say bodies to leasing and lethargy and set schedule to exercise regularly. Also, drink plenty of water before or between meals. Yeah. Also, there are another solution to lose weight. Replace fried meat and fish with grilled or boiled alternative while avoiding eating meat with fat. Yes, this some or briefly solution for to lose weight.
Okay.
I will ask you. I will ask you if you. I will ask you about if there is another solution for obesity. You have another
Yeah,
solutions.
correct, correct. Sir,
Yeah,
first of all, I am appreciating your solution. Already you have mentioned a lot of the factors are there. Regular exercise are there. Balanced diet should be there. And
mm,
we have to just regularize our routines are there. How we
yeah,
have to just focus on. And the next thing that means from my side, sir, it is my personal opinion. Uh, at least that means we have to just cut from the medicine to depend upon the natural remedy. Just suppose that natural remedy, that means from my side, that means the
I
people,
agree with you.
yeah,
That's right.
natural
Yeah,
remedy, like that, suppose that we should not just based on the artificial things are there, like we should not usually go to the outside of the take foods from the outside of the hotels, outside of the other things are there. The other things are the drinking. It's also one of the significant factors of the obesity. Drinkings of the beer, usually drinking, it's not occasionally, it's not does not affect on the health. Might be that would be one of the anxiety boosters are there. It is one of the anxiety removings are there. But suppose that excess alcohols are there, excess beers are there, yeah, any
yeah.
kinds of the other things are there. It's also play one of the significant matter, right? So just sir, just we are going to summarizing something, just summarizing 2 to 3 lines. That means just give the message for the newcomers. How we have, that means they have to keep their routines to away from the obesity. Just summarize, sir. 2 to 3 lines. You have to summarize that, right?
Yeah,
What is your
yes.
opinion? Just last me 2 to 3 minutes, sir. Just 2 to 3 lines. You have to summarize from your point of view how you are just giving message to the human being to protect the obesity
Hmm.
from
Yeah,
your side. Yeah.
yeah. Yeah, I think there is one of this one of this when we will feel hungry like, for example, when you fall hungry between meals, you can eat fresh vegetables such as cucumbers, carrot, pepper, lettuce, or fried, uh, but on the condition that 3 hours have passed since at least meals. Refraining from consuming soft drink and prepared food. Also, you can replace fried meat and fish. I remember that to you. Yes, whenever that avoiding eating meat with fat. This I think some points about how we can solve this. Yeah.
Correct. Sir,
If you have another, if you have other, you can
no,
let.
sir, I am
Yeah,
completely agree with your thought. Sir, I am completely agree with your thought. Just I am also focusing on the green vegetables are there and
yeah, yeah.
low fat diets are there. That it is one of the significant factor or rich factors about to protect the obesity. So
Yeah, yeah.
same sir, I am absolutely right, 100% right from your side. So it can be implemented, right?
Yeah,
Okay, sir, we are going to end the meeting, or
yeah,
already 10 to
yeah.
15 minutes are
I
there.
think
Uh,
yes.
Coursera is having, sir, they are having limitations about the 10 MB. So might be our recording that would be little bit much than the 10 MD. Sir,
Yeah.
after just I am going to stop the meeting, then we will discuss on that.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.